Alright everyone, it's been a while since I've done a hang can cook episode, but lately I've been taking up fishing, which means I've caught fish. Actually, I only caught fish the last time I went out. So anyway, caught a flounder, decided to cook the flounder. So what I did was, first I decided to butterfly the flounder, get the bones out, and do a crab stuffed flounder. So here's the flounder, it's been butterflied, and here's the bones. Now, some people like to keep the fins on the outside so that they can have the two top fillets connect or stick to the bottom whole piece. I don't like that because there's little bones left in that area. I just like to debone completely. So two separate fillets on top and then the one single fillet on a whole piece of flounder on the bottom. So here's the flounder and the bones. And to do this, I've also mixed here lump crab meat, garlic, green onions, black pepper, some mushroom seasoning, some garlic powder. Okay, and I'm just going to put some black powder on this flounder, put the crab meat in it, and then put sticks of lemongrass in, so that when I grill it, cook it over the grill, the lemongrass flavor seeps into the meat. All right. Get some black pepper in there. Okay, so I've seasoned and marinated the flounder, put the mixed lump crab meat mix on top, and put the strips of lemongrass on top of that. Now I just fold over the two pieces and then grill it. Here's the flounder folded over, and I'll just wait until the missus come home, throw it on the grill, and that'll be dinner. And here it is over the grill. It is over a bed of sliced onions and lemongrass, so that the bottom of fish doesn't burn. The lemongrass and the onions will burn, and then give the flavor and soak it into the meat of the fish. It's over cooking a grill sheet. As far as the grill goes, it's a 4-burner grill. The fish is over 2 burners. The 2 burners of the fish is over is on low, and then the 2 burners that are on the side are on high, so that I get the high heat and then the low heat over the fish so that the bottom doesn't burn. So let's see how it turns out in a little bit. And here it is, all done. Looks